Welcome back to Prompt and Practical AI. Every single day, millions of people ask AI the wrong questions. They get generic, frustrating results, and then they often blame the tool. The truth is, the tool is only as good as the prompt you feed it. As a veteran strategist, I've broken down the world's most effective AI interactions into 5 non-negotiable rules. These are not tips. These are the 5 immutable laws of prompt engineering. Master these 5 laws, and you will permanently upgrade your entire relationship with artificial intelligence. This is your foundation for building scalable, passive income systems that truly work. Over the next 8 minutes, we will unpack each law, show you exactly how to apply it, and guarantee you never get a frustrating, unusable result again. To illustrate this concept clearly, think of the AI as a world-class chef. If you simply ask for food, you get scraps. If you ask for a Michelin-star 3-course vegetarian meal, plated in the Nordic style, with wine pairings, you get a masterpiece. This video teaches you how to write the master recipe. It's time to stop asking for scraps and start demanding a masterpiece from your tools. Law number 1. Specificity defines success. General prompts yield general chaos and useless output. The AI is a complex machine, and it absolutely requires granular instructions. Your prompt must specify 3 things: the desired output format, the tone, and the precise length. Instead of asking, write a sales email, you must ask, act as a B2B copywriter. Draft a 150-word sales email in a professional, urgent tone. The format must include a bold subject line, 3 distinct bullet points focused on savings, and a single, clear call to action button linking to a specific URL. When you define the exact boundaries and constraints, you eliminate the AI's guesswork entirely, ensuring the result is immediately usable for your business without heavy editing. The more detail you provide in the constraints, the less time you spend manually correcting the draft. This law is the primary foundation of all high-efficiency AI automation. Law number 2. Establish the expert role. Never talk to the AI as if it's a generic chatbot. This is a huge mistake. You must assign it a specialized, professional persona that aligns perfectly with your task. This instantly unlocks expertise you cannot access otherwise. For deep market research, you don't ask, what are people worried about? You prompt, act as a retired Harvard business professor specializing in consumer psychology. Analyze current market trends and identify the top 5 behavioral objections a new e-commerce customer will have before making their first purchase. Use behavioral science terminology. This role constraint forces the AI to tap into a deeper, more specialized, and highly valuable knowledge base. If you're building a content calendar, the AI should be a veteran content strategist. If you're writing copy, it must be an award-winning copywriter who understands conversions. The role provides essential context and high authority to the final output, making it professional grade. Law number 3. Provide concrete examples, the few-shot method. The fastest, most powerful way to teach the AI precisely what you want is to show it what you want, rather than trying to describe it with vague adjectives. This is a critical time saver for highly branded or stylistic requests. If you are struggling to lock in a desired tone, like witty, direct, and slightly cynical, provide 2 successful examples of that exact tone from your past social media content. You prompt, analyze the following 2 examples of my brand's unique writing style. Now, draft a new social media hook that matches that precise witty and direct tone and must include a question mark. By giving the AI shots or stylistic examples, You provide a reference model it can instantly learn from and replicate, bypassing dozens of frustrating back and forth descriptive edits. This is how you lock in your unique brand voice across thousands of pieces of content, maintaining brand consistency at scale. Law number 4. Always demand the why, the audit loop. The most common and most costly mistake users make is simply accepting the AI's first answer without question. Truly professional prompt engineers demand the rationale, the justification, and the critique behind the output. You must ask the AI to grade its own work. After receiving your 30-day content calendar, you should immediately prompt, critique the 30-day calendar you just created. Identify 3 specific weaknesses in the plan that could lead to audience fatigue or low conversion rates. Justify your critique using best practices in digital marketing strategy and provide 3 concrete fixes for each weakness. This audit loop turns the AI into a powerful, free editing and quality assurance partner. It forces the AI to evaluate its own work against the expert role and constraints you gave it, guaranteeing you receive a significantly higher quality final product every single time. It elevates the output from a rough draft to a near-final business asset. Law number 5. Context is cumulative, the session stack. The AI has a memory within your session, and every single prompt you feed it builds its knowledge stack about your needs, brand, and niche. Never restart a new conversation if you want high-quality results. Your prompts must be designed to build on each other sequentially. Prompt 1 defines the role. Prompt 2 generates the content plan. Prompt 3 edits the content based on Law 4's audit loop. Prompt 4 refines the tone based on Law 3's examples. This cumulative, strategic context ensures the AI stays permanently locked into your niche, your brand voice, and your specific business goals throughout the entire planning session. This consistency is what allows you to build massive content systems in minutes, not days. Mastery of the session stack is the single difference between a one-off basic query and a full-scale automated business workflow. These 5 immutable laws, specificity, role, examples, the audit loop, and context, are your essential blueprint for mastering AI. You are not a user, you are an engineer. This entire system is the core of our AI Productivity Planner suite. Stop spending valuable hours on endless trial and error. Start using a system designed for immediate conversion and massive scale. Download your complete AI-powered planners and guides now via the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more prompt and practical AI insights.